Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today we've got this awesome ration. This is a 24-hour First Strike ration. It weighs 1 pound 7 ounces, and it's made by Sapaco. Now, this ration I bought on eBay. They claim this was a U.S. Army First Strike ration. But when you look at it, this ration is made by MREreview. It weighs about the same, but look at the difference in the packaging. So I'm thinking this is a civilian version. This ration, the First Strike, it's got the menu in the back. This one has no menu on it at all. And there's no peelable seal. There's no tear notches. So I'm thinking this one is possibly a civilian. If anybody knows, if you could leave that in the comments, I certainly would appreciate it. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. And we're going to be using the world's smallest knife. Chocolate flavored First Strike nutritious energy bar. Has a package data of the 17th day of 2019, so it's very fresh. One trash bag. Has a Ziploc. Package of hot and spicy baked snack crackers. Say that 3 times. Package of applesauce. Package of tortillas. Package of sun-kissed tuna creations, sweet and spicy. Sounds good to me. Another First Strike energy bar. This is apple cinnamon flavor. Package of crackers. A package of blueberry turnover, shelf stable. Have a package of shelf stabled nacho flavored beef stick sandwich. Have a package of nut raisin mix. We have an, I don't know, maybe it's a beef stick. We'll have to check that out in a minute. Have a grape flavored drink. Have a lemon lime flavored drink. We have an American spoon, which we all know we're not going to use. Here we have one of 2 accessory packs. First thing we have is cheddar potato with artificial bacon bits. Package of fat-free mayonnaise. Some military energy gum. Here we have another accessory pack. Book of matches. White tip. Package of sugar. Moist towelette. 2 more moist towelettes for a total of 3. Package of iodized salt. Package of coffee creamer. Package of type 2 coffee. Some napkins. And a package of gum. And that's everything in the menu number 7 First Strike ration. That was a lot of food, so this is what I've got set up. I'm gonna split this into 2 meals. This will be the first meal. First thing I want to do is make the coffee. And we're going to be making the coffee in the ForeignMRE.com mug. I don't know. Let's try the creamer. Put a little sugar in. And of course, we use the ForeignMRE.com spork. You can get yours on the website. Next thing I want to do is mix up the grape drink. I'm going to go ahead and pour it into a glass. Give it a little stir. Got a lot of floaties, so hopefully this will dissolve. Next thing I want to open is the hot and spicy baked snacks. And they smell like jalapeno. I mean, immediately I could get that aroma of the jalapeno coming off of it. Next thing I want to open is the sandwich, the nacho flavored beef stick. Check that out. Smells like nachos. We'll have to see. We have the First Strike energy bar, apple cinnamon flavor. And these are always good. And let's open the crackers next. Well, I didn't get a hiss. And next let's open the teriyaki beef stick. Check that out. This looks just like a Slim Jim. The cheddar potato with artificial bacon. So this can be a spread or a soup. And we're going to use it as a spread. Put it on the crackers, see how that tastes. Let's try a little by itself. Check that out. Man, I don't know about this cheese, guys. This is really strange to me. So I tasted the cheese. It tastes gritty. I don't know. Like there's some broken up pieces of cracker or something inside. It's got the texture of like sand. It tastes fine, but I've never had anything with that texture. And as I'm chewing it up, I can, it's crunching away. I'm going to say that it's okay. Maybe as a soup that would crunchy would come out, but it tastes perfectly fine. So let's give the hot and spicy baked snack a try. Those are really good. They taste like the Cheez-Its with jalapenos, and it definitely tastes good, tastes spicy. You can taste the cheese and the jalapenos. It's very good. Let's try one with some cheese. Let's try our drink next. Give it another stir. As you can see, there's still a lot of floaties in there. That is great. So let's give the beef stick a try. It's kind of oily on the outside, and that's actually really good. It tastes like a Slim Jim, but not as greasy. Slim Jims are always good, but they've always got that extra grease inside. And that one, man, very enjoyable. Then we have our Nacho Hot Pocket. It's a nacho stick, I guess. You give that a try. And that actually tastes good. It tastes like a Slim Jim. And of course the bread around it, it's very good. It does taste like nacho cheese, but it also tastes like a pepperoni stick on the inside. So, kind of like a pizza type deal. Let's give it a try with some cheese. And that's actually really good, but of course there's still that crunch to the cheese that I'm not used to, but it tastes fine. So let's try the type 2 coffee with the cream and sugar. Wow. I love that type 2 coffee. Let's give this a try. I'm amazed how good that First Strike apple cinnamon bar is. Strong taste of apples, the cinnamon, very strong. And of course, the texture with it's kind of like Rice Krispies on the inside, absolutely perfect. The beef sticks, I give these a 10. They're not greasy. A lot better than the Slim Jims. The apple cinnamon First Strike bar, I give it a 10. Crackers, they're always a 10. Now the cheese, I give it a 10 for flavor, but for the texture, I did not like it. And I think what might be crunchy is the artificial bacon. Now the baked spicy chips, they're really good. Got a good cheese flavor to them, good jalapeno flavor to them, excellent. The cheese, like I said, it's good. I think it's the bacon bits, the artificial bacon bits inside that's making it kind of gritty and crunchy. Now the Nacho Hot Pocket, never had one of these before. This thing is excellent. So that's gonna be everything on the first meal. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off, and I'll see you in a few minutes. And this is what I decided to have for the second meal. I kind of wish I'd have had the tuna fish in the first meal, that way I'd be already done with that. So I'm not looking forward to the tuna fish. Before we go any further, if everyone could click the subscribe and the like button right now. We'll wait till you click the like button and the subscribe. For some reason, we get a lot of views on our videos, but when I look at the statistics, only like 20% of the views come from subscribers. If you could hit the subscribe and the like right now, and then we'll continue on. So the first thing I want to do, mix up the lemon lime drink. Barely have a tear notch up here. Give that a quick stir with the ForeignMRE.com spork. Let's open up the chocolate flavored First Strike bar. I haven't had one of these. It looks good and it smells good. Strong aroma of chocolate. Next, let's open the blueberry turnover. And look at that, blueberries already coming out. Man, and it smells great. It smells just like blueberries. Maybe that's why it's blueberry turnover. Okay, moving on. Have the nut raisin mix. Look at that. And this looks just like a trail mix. Has some almonds, some walnuts, some peanuts, some M&Ms. Looks good. And let's open up our tortillas. And we have my favorite, tuna. So, Tuna Creations, lightly marinated, premium chunk, light tuna. Sweet and spicy. The only way I'm going to enjoy this is if it tastes like chocolate. I do this for you. Still more in the bag, but that's all I need. Okay, let's give this a try by itself. Tastes like fish. Tastes like I don't like it. It's got a little spicy taste, got a little sweet taste to it. Yeah. And let's give the lemon lime drink a quick taste. Lemon lime is good. Let's try a little fat-free mayonnaise. Put a little bit of that on the tuna. We'll see how that tastes. It tastes like tuna with mayonnaise. So, okay, moving on. Trail mix. Looks like we have some peanuts, some raisins, M&Ms, some almonds, maybe a piece of walnut. And the nut mix tastes great. Tastes nice and fresh. I don't think there's any salt. It didn't taste salty at all. Moving on to the blueberry turnover. And look at that. And the blueberry turnover, wow. It is absolutely great. It's hard to explain. It tastes like blueberry pie filling in like a Hot Pocket. And of course, the bread's not crispy, but man, it is good. Take another drink of the lemon lime. Doesn't taste like lemon lime Gatorade. It tastes more like lime Kool-Aid, but it's still good. Then we have the chocolate First Strike bar. Let's try out this applesauce. And check that out. This applesauce, man, it tastes great. Tastes like applesauce you get in a bottle. It's very good. It's got a little bit of hint of cinnamon in it, but overall it's excellent. These are some tortillas. There's only one thing to do. And then kind of roll this up. And when you bite it, you pinch the back and you take a bite. And of course, I'm not eating it, I'm saving it for Nina. So we'll try the tortilla by itself. Then the last thing is a moist towelette. Works good. No smell to it. Pretty tough. This is the second part of the First Strike ration. There's applesauce. I give it a perfect 10. The mixed nuts, another 10. The blueberry turnover, perfect 10. The chocolate First Strike bar, a 10. The mayonnaise, it's mayonnaise, The tortillas, definitely a 10. Nice and fresh. The tuna, yeah, I don't like tuna. I would guess that tuna to somebody else, like Nina, would probably be a 9 or a 10 if you like the sweet and the spicy part of it. I just don't like tuna. The lemon lime drink, I give it a 10. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. It all helps the channel, helps it grow. So as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration. You can even get this ration from ForeignMRE.com. Thank you for watching. Package of a hot and spicy baked snack. Package of hot and spicy. Put a little salt in.